The knowledge that we have about this topic of global warming is that it is affecting our oceans because the glaciers and the ice caps are melting, which is causing the sea levels to rise. Scientists currently believe that the major factors causing global warming and climate change are greenhouse gases, land use changes, so deforestation, stuff like that, aerosols, so using hairspray, and soot. The current controversies that we have going on about this specific topic is the fact that a big one currently is that many people do not believe that global warming is a real thing and isn't actually happening. Those people, like our president, do not believe that global warming is a real thing. It's just a theory that we came up with to kind of scare everybody. It's also believed that capitalism and humans are the main reason for global warming and climate change, while others don't believe that that is true. They don't believe that corporate greed has anything to do with the fact that global warming is happening. And many other people believe that, we need to act now.
Hello, my name is Vanessa Valdez, and my group and I will be discussing global warming. We did choose this topic because of how extremely relevant it is in present day and its major impacts all over the world. So some major key points that we do see about global warming are that its impacts are very much observable now. So some of these effects that we've seen include the melting of ice glaciers or just the overall loss of sea ice in the Arctic. This definitely does influence the higher sea levels that we've seen. Along with this, we are witnesses of extremely intense heat waves, and all of this is due to climate change. So clearly, this negatively impacts all species, plants, animals, humans, and basically the most vulnerable and least adaptable species above all. So all of these effects were predicted by scientists in the past with their knowledge of climate change. And with this in mind, if they were able to predict damaging effects that are happening right now, what can they or what will they predict about some long-term events in the future if global warming does continue to increase? So this is definitely something we want to focus on and learn from them, because as we are seeing much damage right now, what can we expect in the future? So another point is whether there's a way to stop or at least decrease the effects of global warming. Considering the major impacts climate change has had on all life on Earth, humanity has come to a realization that action definitely does need to take place. So among this, we do see discussion in news reports and even the presidential election, where it does detail candidates' efforts and intentions to aid in global warming. As global warming already a problem, what are we to expect if it continues to increase?
Hi, this is Bina Jaji speaking, and today I'm going to be talking about the future effects of global warming. Weather has already changed, as seen as in the California fires, droughts, and heat waves, all of which are due to climate change and will continue to get worse if there aren't any precautions taken. Global warming or climate change will continue to make temperatures hotter, pollute air, create higher sea levels, droughts, floods, hurricanes, and be a major threat to agriculture. Precautions should be made by everyone to prevent all of these issues spoken about in this video from damaging the earth even further. There are many things we as a society can do, such as starting with the little changes like reducing water and plastic waste, or even going further and making major changes such as using a renewable energy for our houses. One small step can help change the future of the planet. Thank you.